Alright, it's August the 30th. I'm harvesting green beans today. Look at that plant, man. That is ridiculous what that plant's doing. It's I can't believe the amount of squash that's there. So the carrots are growing really well. Everything's growing well. Look at this. The parsnips are even exploding. I did the yellow beans. I was very upset with them. Well, yellow beans aren't a real hardy plant. They don't like the heat, and they got seriously stressed out and didn't develop properly. It was an absolute mess. I got 42 pounds. I only cleaned like 28, and I gave up because they were deformed and twisted, and it was so hard and slow cleaning them up. I fed them to chickens, the rest of them. But so I probably got about 20. I think it's 25 pounds cleaned up. The rutabagas are going really well. They're growing good, really well actually. And of course the carrots here. I'm not doing the velour beans because they're ready, but because of the way the plant grows, they sit off the ground, so I don't have to worry too much about them compared to the green beans. Beets are going really well, as you can tell. And my carrots, another row of carrots. Now I want to show you here the green beans. Like, look at the size of these things. They're huge. Now this is just from one row. That bucket is about 45 pounds is what a bucket holds, and that was only one single row. I still have 2 more rows to go. So the green beans are going to be a huge success, but green beans are much harder to plant, much tougher. They as you can tell, they're nice and straight, didn't get stressed out from the heat. They're going to be much faster to clean. I bet you I'll probably clean this whole crop the same amount of time it took me to clean the pathetic harvest I got off the yellow beans yesterday. I was so frustrated cleaning those. So, slow going. I lost interest. It was just brutal. But the heat really screwed them up. Look at those rutabaga. The parsnips. They're so big. They're just exploding in size. Oh, there's the little dog. He's got a surgery coming up, and he's coming to take care of him. We've got another growth in the back of his leg, and we don't know if it's cancer or not. So Andy's going to do a kitchen surgery. Right, Doug? All right, that's the garden update.